Okay guys, so I'm gonna be riding my scooter on that ramp right there. So it's cold. It's about 6:18. It's already cold. It's already dark. Throw my phone on the grass right there. And I'm gonna be showing you guys like this is like the first time in like this year, and I mean in the winter, that I've hit this ramp. Obviously we're in Chicago because it's not snowing, but it's like 30 degrees. Alright. Yeah, my scooter's not out. I gotta dial that in. Alright, I'm gonna hit this ramp and hopefully you guys like the clips. This all super. Okay. I don't know if you guys heard me, but I got hella scared when I was going up it. Well, when I was approaching it. Whew. Oh my gosh, that's a rush, or it's a heart rush. All right, I'm gonna do that again. My shoe was untied. Okay, I did it. I did it again. Whew. It's just a heart rush. It's cold. It's all super over there. I don't know if you guys heard it. Let's hit it again. It's cold. Okay, still recording. I'm gonna make this like a 10-minute video. So if you guys don't want to sit through a 10-minute video, just go watch another video or go watch like, I don't know, someone else. Like Life with Fabian. Right there, right there. Alright. Like right there or right there. I'm gonna link his channel. He has pretty good content. Go look at it. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. Hold on, let me see. It's cold. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. It's cold. Oh crap, I'm not even in the camera. Crap, wrong one. Crap. Sheesh. Dude, it's cold. It's cold. No, hold on. Okay. Whew, it's cold. Dude. Crap, I can't find it. Hold on. This is probably boring. You guys probably came here just to see jumps. Whew. That was the weather thing. Oh, I'm just gonna ask Google. How cold is it in Chicago, Illinois? 33 degrees. 33 degrees. I'm out here. So you guys better like this video. That was supercharged. Alright. I'm gonna hit it again. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall. It's like on a car. I wish you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm getting a gimbal and a light. Sheesh. You guys probably heard that. That was loud. So I'm getting a gimbal and a light. I'm getting it Christmas. I can't wait to like have like crystal clear quality. So I'm gonna have light, I'm gonna have a gimbal, and we're just gonna have a good time. Alright, let's get another clip. I don't know if I got that. Hold on, let me see if my camera's still recording. Alright, still recording. Alright, it's because my camera dies because it's cold, so my battery like doesn't last as long. Whew. I don't know if I did a manual on that one. I'll have to check it, but it's gonna be sick. Hopefully the person of this car doesn't get mad. I felt like I got some decent air on that one. Alright. It's cold. How long has I been doing it? I'm making this like a 10-minute video. That was cold. Let's hit another one. Oh, it's cold, dude. It is definitely cold. Alright, I'm gonna get one more and then I'm gonna end the video. Put on a banger. You guys want to see little mini in? Alright. Oh, no, that wasn't it. Alright. I messed up my finger. Oh crap. I messed up. Alright, one more time for the boys. Because it's on an angle. Can't really get it. Again. Sorta. One more time. Alright, that one was it. Am I still recording? Okay, good. Exactly 10 minutes. Please like the video. It's cold. I'm outside by myself. And hopefully you guys like the video. I'll go outside now. It's cold. I don't know if I uploaded it first, but I made a video on all the parts I have on my scooter. So, you guys like it? You guys want that video? It's already up, probably. Or if this one's up, not my problem. I'm kidding. I'm probably gonna upload that one first. So, yeah. That's it. I'm cold. Please like, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. Please. I'm cold.